What's the noise? Nothing's on. Got like, sounds like something's trying to open. It doesn't go away. Maybe I'll turn the heater on. Weird. Put it in park, it goes away. See if it comes back and drive. Maybe it was a coincidence. I don't know. What is that noise? Sounds like it's coming from down in here in the center console. Down in that area. Help.